Alright guys, welcome back. Sorry there was no video on Friday or Thursday or whatever day it was. I missed a video, but just the whole weekend was crazy. I was busy like every second from like when I woke up to midnight basically, or 1 a.m. So I didn't have much free time, so sorry about that. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Anyways, up here on the 6th floor, the highest of the building, and they started dropping in the lights, and that's what I was working on today. The lights were hanging, and then I went around and basically grouped all the lights together. So I was checking to see where I could put the boxes, how many lights I can get on each box, and it was basically just 3. So I basically went around and marked out where I wanted all my boxes, where they all the wires came together, so I could put a box. So I just made a mark and then just went around and shot slack wires, and then went around and wired them with the 12-3 wire. Here's some of the extra right here, but one of those is for the switch leg, which is the red, and then the black is used for the constant power here. So basically just went around and wired those, then tied down the wires that I shot, and then hung boxes, and then plugged all the wires into them, and then I'll make them up tomorrow. I basically got everything done here, down the hallway, through the ceiling, all the way down to here. I just have to run one last wire out, a 12-2, just for power, down this hallway, just into this room, and then I can go ahead and make up all these tomorrow. And other coworker put in the can lights, and I also tied those into the boxes here. As you can see, basically just zip tying these wires together to keep them off of the grid or the ceiling tiles or whatever, just so they're not hanging down, drooping. But basically that's all I worked on for the most part. At the beginning of the day, I went around downstairs on the 5th floor and put on the, I don't know if you can see anything, but on the 5th floor, I don't know where I'm at, you can't see anything, but basically downstairs, if you remember last week, there's the junction boxes. Actually, these are on the ceiling, like right, yeah, it's in the way. But anyways, there's junction boxes in here for the lights, and on the 5th floor, I went around these offices downstairs. It's basically the same layout, so I went downstairs and put all the covers on the junction boxes at the beginning of the day, and also the covers on the hallway if there was any missing down the hallway downstairs. And then those last couple emergency lights downstairs, I went around and connected the low charging ballast or whatever it was, the emergency battery, together, so those would be charging. Like right here, you see this little charging thing right there. So I went around downstairs, plugged those in so they turn red, so they have constant power to charge the batteries. In case the power shuts off, then the lights will work for however long, 1 to 3 hours or whatever it is. So anyways, that's what I did at the beginning of the day, and this is all I did the rest of the day. I was just working on these lights, and I'll be working on this for probably at least half the day tomorrow or more, tying in these junction boxes like this. So I'll just be tying all those wires together where they need to go. Just have to make sure you do it right. I think I did everything right downstairs. No one said I did it wrong, so that's a good sign, and hopefully I can do another good job up here. And I think that'll about wrap it up for the day today. I'm about to head home. As you can see, it's pitch black, and that's me. Can't really see me waving, but anyways. So yep, another 12-hour day, working 12 hours Monday to Thursday, and then 8 to 10 hours on Friday. So it's gonna be a really long week. I'm not gonna be able to really do anything after work. Basically just gonna go straight home probably, and maybe go to sleep. It's the longest I've ever slept yesterday in like years. I went to bed at like 8:30 maybe, fell asleep at 9 o'clock, and I just got like so much sleep. Like I felt like a whole other person just waking up with that much sleep. Anyways, yep, it's gonna be just me working this week and no time for fun, and I don't even know anymore what I'm saying, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, it'll help me out, and I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow for more updates, and check social media down below in the description to follow along there. And yeah, I'm thinking about making a photography Instagram, so I already am up to 5 accounts, so I might have to delete one or remove it from my Instagram account since you can only have 5. So anyways, that's about it. I'm always forgetting something to say, but that should do it. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I live stream or upload a new video. Thanks guys, see you tomorrow. God bless. Peace out.